Alright guys, what is up? It is Saturday morning here at Park House 1. You can tell we got some cars here. Not too many cars as before that past occasions I've been here, but nonetheless gonna check out some of the cars, and thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe as always, and until next time. So just met this gentleman here with this beautiful 993 C4S. That was a 996 taken off. Just talking to him about this car. Deleted everything, no badge, no windshield wiper, sunroof. So it's looking pretty good. Really nice condition. Just talking to him about the interior. His factory seats. Did the switch of the gear shifter there. And yeah, really good. Check We got this 997 converted track car here. It's got the turbo rear bumper. It looks like the rear wing, some racing wheels. Probably tracks this. We got the Velos GT3. Omar in the house, who I just met. Omar, if you're watching this, I'm not sure the name for these wheels, man, but they are sick. Look great on this, the .2 generation. White and the silver. Polished. Got the Carrera GTS 991 on BC forged. Looking really good. Got the 997 right next to it. This beautiful Generation 2 GT3 Touring. This beautiful blue colorway. Man, I love these wheels. See the pockets cut out to save the weight. Pretty cool. And this, probably my favorite build here. I've seen this car a few times, but never get tired of seeing it. It's got the yellow pulley tab. HREs, converted brake discs, and the child seat with the Caros. Yeah. Just details on this car, man. Really nice. It's incredible. Of course, it's got the yellow roll cage in the back. See that? 997 Carrera 4 GTS.
Never heard it. It sounds for real.
It's got the white seat backs, 6-speed manual, carbon fiber. I think this is just all stock. Looks incredible, man. One of my favorite cars. I have the track ready GT3 RS. It's been here before. The 991 in front of it, and 992. So they're all here. It's got those cool inserts. Aero cooled greatness over here. The brown on brown. You can tell he drives it. Really like this color. So going back to this, I was talking to somebody. It says a manual in this with Aero Kit, Carrera 4 GTS, probably only 100 in North America. Parkhouse shop here. You got a nice 997S here. 997 Turbo S there. A couple of air cooleds. Yeah. Got a couple of Singers here.
Yes, where you going?
This one, Targa. I think this was at Moda. And the square one is really nice. Body work on this. All this dry carbon detail work. That is the engine of the Targa Singer here. Some of that interior work. Got the Generation 1 992 and second generation with the YSAC pack. And more from Parkhouse's extended collection here, which I believe some of these are for sale. GT4RS in the back there. Now, a lot of people were checking this car out earlier. 911 SC.